2015 Chevy Silverado Z71. Got some nice 20-inch wheels. Really nice truck. Got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Got the third cat that everybody hates. Then 3-inch pipe all the way back. We installed a FLOWMASTER FX by FLOWMASTER, or Flow FX by FLOWMASTER. There'll be a link in the description if you guys want to purchase it. And then we followed it by 2.5-inch pipe and then we did there's the part number for it, 71416. There it is. That's how you do the Flow FX on these, when you do a muffler delete. And then we also did a resonator delete, because with the Flow FX it'll be too quiet with keeping the resonator on it right there. So we cut that off too, and put a 4-inch angle cut black tip right there. There'll be a link in the description for that also, if you guys want to purchase it. That's the whole setup on it. That's how you do them. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Chevy Silverado. Much better. You always want to take the resonators off them to make it sound good. Let you guys hear sound decibels. Go ahead. About 94. Came out really nice and clean. What do you guys think of the sound? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe. It always helps us keep growing and getting better videos, better equipment, more material to put on the trucks. Give you a really good experience. If you guys see anything we need to advance on, let us know. Sounds phenomenal. It's really nice and deep. The Flow FXs really sound deep on those. Let you guys hear on the inside.